Welcome back. Well, it looks like we're going to continue to see the same weather pattern tomorrow as what we've seen over the last couple of days. Winds picking back up tomorrow in advance of a frontal boundary that should bring the chance of rain back to the forecast. And we're going to spring into a more spring pattern with scattered showers and thunderstorms through the early part of next week, and maybe even a severe weather threat by Wednesday. Severe weather threat ongoing now across Texas. Farther to the north, it's a big snowstorm, blizzard warnings. The snow's just starting now across portions of a good part of Colorado into Wyoming, and these snows will be piling up with blizzard warnings there, winter storm watches and warnings farther to the north. And then to the south, severe weather busting out, tornado watches. We've seen a number of tornadoes across the Texas Panhandle this afternoon, verifying severe thunderstorm warnings in effect right now. But this severe weather threat should bypass us off to the north, and that is the good news. But we have another system that we'll be watching down the line. Today, once again, a mixture of clouds and a few intervals of sunshine. Clouds dominating, but when the sun came out, temperatures got up to 80 degrees this afternoon. We're going to do it again tonight. Fair to partly cloudy skies during the evening hours. Clouds build in by morning. We did have some fog late last night and early this morning, and a dense fog advisory. You might see some patchy stuff again for tomorrow morning. We'll reassess that coming up tonight at 10. We'll watch the trends. Then tomorrow, a cloud and sun mix. Once again, upper 70s to near 80. We'll be watching this front as we get to midnight tomorrow night. Scattered showers in the forecast. We might see a passing shower tomorrow, 20% or less during the day. Then tomorrow night, getting into the 50 to 60% range. Maybe a couple of isolated thunderstorms toward Monday morning, but this front runs out of gas. We'll still maintain the threat of scattered showers, possibly a thunderstorm Monday, and then the front retreats with scattered activity through Tuesday, and then we'll watch what happens down the line. Severe weather threat for tomorrow night into early Monday, primarily into Arkansas, but notice a marginal risk of a few isolated severe storms as far south as Cenla. We'll keep an eye on the trends, but not overly concerned with this system. But the next one that develops down the line, you can see we stay unsettled with that frontal boundary in the region Tuesday. This storm system looks to promise a better threat of severe weather, and actually Louisiana is already hatched in for a slight risk of severe storms Wednesday by the Storm Prediction Center, but the details need to be hammered out. Following that system, cooler air moving in, and it's going to be a cool finish to the week, and next weekend is going to be some 10 degrees cooler than what we're seeing this weekend, maybe even more than that. As for rainfall, not a major concern. The heaviest rains over toward Mississippi, Alabama, the northern part of the state. Locally, we're looking at an inch or so, and that's accumulated between Sunday night and Wednesday. As for the winds, they begin to get gusty. These are wind gusts forecast by the HRR model, and again, you can see those gusts in the 25 to 28 mile per hour range tomorrow afternoon, and it stays gusty going into tomorrow night as that frontal boundary approaches the area. So pleasant evening overall. Clouds increasing late, some patchy fog late as well. Humidity spiking up, 64 the low. We'll go 80 the high tomorrow. Breezy day, very similar to today. And then as we head into next week, rain chances gradually ramping up to a strong threat of strong thunderstorms come next Wednesday. Then cooler weather as we finish out the week and go into next weekend. And oh, by the way, those clocks spring forward tonight at 2 a.m. That's it for weather and time. We'll have more coming up in just a bit.